A warm welcome to the session on make samples of darts and plates. At the end of the session, you will be able to construct and stitch side pleats, construct and stitch inverted pleats, construct and stitch box pleats, construct and stitch pleats with separate underlay.
Tools and equipments required. Lock stitch sewing machine 1 number, iron box 1 number, hand needle 1 number, scissors 1 number, material lawn cloth 0.15 meters by 0.75 meters, sewing thread 1 number, pleats. Pleats are folds of fabric that are made to give decorative flair and fullness to a garment. They are commonly used on skirts and dresses, but also on sleeves or other components of a garment. Construction features of pleats. Pleats are folded in vertical direction. Each pleat has an inner and outer fold. The outer fold line is placed on a placement line. The distance between inner and outer fold is called pleat depth. The pleat size consists of double the pleat depth. The distance between two neighboring outer folds is the pleat width. Gap between the pleats. The width of material before pleating is called the pattern width. After pleating, it is called the pleated section. The pleated section does not consider allowances for plackets, etc. Pleats can be pressed crisply or can be left as unpressed to hang as soft folds. For pressed pleats, garment fabrics that crease easily are the most suitable. Pressing should be done with a pressing cloth. If pleats shall be sharp, use steam or damp cloth to set the creases. Then ensure that the pleats dry thoroughly before moving them. During construction of pleats, they are pressed before basting stitches are removed. Types of pleat. There are 3 basic types of pleats. Knife pleats. Knife pleats are the most common form of pleats. The outer fold lines are placed in one direction. While setting knife pleats, there are 3 possible proportions among pleat depth and pleat width. Pleat depth is equal to pleat width, which is normal pleat. Pleat depth less than pleat width is shallow pleat. Pleat depth greater than pleat width is overlapping pleats. Box pleats. Box pleats are made by 2 single pleats in opposite direction. A full box pleat is folded under from 2 sides so that the inner folds meet. It has 2 fold lines and 2 placement lines. Inverted pleats. Inverted pleats are also made by 2 single pleats. They have 2 fold lines and a single common placement line. The 2 outer folds in the center of the pleat meet on the right side. To construct and stitch side pleats. Knife pleats. Mark and cut the given material in 2 pieces of 0.20 meter by 0.45 meter. 2 pieces of 0.20 meter by 0.90 meter. Take a piece of cloth size 0.20 meter by 0.45 meters. Marking will be done on wrong side with tailor's chalk. Mark fold lines and placement lines on full width of sample. Width of pleat is 1.5 centimeter and distance between 2 pleats is 2.5 centimeter. Transfer all markings to the right side using tracing wheel. Work on right side now. Fold the fabric along the fold line and bring it to its placement line. Pin pleats through all layers. bast pleats close to the fold line through all thickness and remove the pins. Make a row of machine stitches at 1 cm distance from the edge, right angled to the pleats. Place the cloth right side upon the iron board and press the pleats. Use a damp muslin cloth and place it upon the pleats before you press. Press the iron only. Do not move it forth and back, since it will damage the folds. Press again without cloth and do not move the fabric until it is dry. Repeat the process on the wrong side. Construct and stitch inverted pleats. Take a piece of cloth size 0.20 meter by 0.90 meter. Mark on wrong side. Mark fold lines and placement lines. Width of the pleat will be 7.5 centimeter. Distance between two pleats is 1 centimeter from wrong side. Transfer all marks to the right side using tracing wheel or notches. Work on the right side now. Fold and bring first and second fold lines from the right to left to placement line. Pin pleats through all thickness. Repeat process for all pleats. Pin and bast pleats close to fold lines through all layers. Make a row of machine stitches at 1 cm distance from edge, right angled to the pleats. Remove pins. Press the pleats with a damp cloth. Construct and stitch box pleats. Take a piece of cloth size 0.20 meter by 0.90 meter. Mark fold lines and placement lines from wrong side. Width of pleat is 7.5 centimeter. Distance between two pleats is 4 centimeter. Transfer all marks to right side using tracing wheel. Work on right side now. Fold first fold line B and bring it to the first placement line A, and fold second fold line C and bring it to the second placement line D. Continue for pleats. Pin the pleats through all layers. Fix the pleats with 2 rows of basting 2-3 millimeters away from the center line. Remove pins and press the pleats. Make a seam 1 centimeter from the raw edge to hold the pleats. Remove basting. Construct and stitch pleats with separate underlay. Take a piece of cloth size 0.20 meter by 0.45 meters and another piece of poplin 0.20 meter by 0.20 meters of contrasting color. Mark on wrong side of the bigger piece. Mark fold lines and placement lines. Width of pleat is 5 centimeter. Seam allowance of pleat extension is 0.8 centimeter and distance between two pleats is 2 centimeter. Transfer the marks on right side using tracing wheel. Place one fold line over the other from right side and bast along fold lines from the wrong side. Stitch 5 cm long stitch line from upper edge. Mark on fold 3 cm from upper edge. Then cut along the fold. Press open both parts of pleat. Pleat extension. Cut a strip as pleat underlay of 20 cm, that is pleat length, by 6.6 cm, which is pleat width plus 2 seam allowances. Use fabric of contrasting color. Cut notches on edge 3 cm below upper edge. With right sides together, place pleat underlay over the pleat extension. Match markings bast along each side. Stitch each side of the pleat underlay to pleat extension, leaving 0.75 cm from the raw edge. Remove basting and stitch with machine 1 cm from upper edge. Press.
Recap. In this session, we have learnt how to construct and stitch side pleats, how to construct and stitch inverted pleats, how to construct and stitch box pleats, how to construct and stitch plates with separate underlay. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.